Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of a CVS Health Corp. Now, as you can see in the press release headline that CVS Corp reported earnings and revenue beat in quarter one. Now, the most important thing in this press release are, I would say, although there are two information, but my focus is on EPS because this is an absolute number, and you can see uh, the first two line is that first quarter earnings that beat analyst forecast and revenue that topped expectations, and the EPS has risen to $2.04 from $1.72, and the revenue that the company has posted is 69.1 billion dollar compared to 68.35. Now that's what I have told you, but my big focus is on the EPS number, which I think is a very good number, and they have other services as well. So for that you can read the press release, because there are lots of things that are available and analysts look on various aspects, but because there are some important numbers that we need to find out, and EPS is one of the things which I really think is one of the important fundamental ratios or numbers, whatever you may call it. So the thing is, if you have an increase, so this is a good increase that the company has shown in the terms of EPS. Now, if this is the thing, and if you are looking at this stock, what you can see here, the overall trend or the big chart for this particular stock is a very, I would say, is very good, or it's not even good, it's excellent chart, because in this kind of chart, whenever the correction happens, it is an opportunity to buy. Okay, so this is what we can see in this particular chart. If I draw a trend line like this, okay, let me show it to you how the chart looks like actually. So this is the lower end of the range, and if I start drawing the support lines, so this is what you have in terms of support lines on the downside. Okay, here we are, the support line on the downside, and on the upside you have something like this. Okay, so this is the first level you need to look at, and if market or the if stocks perform in a substantial manner, then you can extend your target like this. One more important thing, people always think about making money in short term, but they don't understand why long term compounding is important, right? So this is one of the things that one must learn, and long term compounding has lots of benefit. It is not only the price increase in price over a period of time, so the concept is completely different anyhow. So the first two levels that we are going to look at, 69.63 will be your first support, your final support or stop loss will come at $58, and on the upside you will have your first target, which will be in between 143 and $176, and once it cross this line, you will have your big target, which will push the stock price towards or in between 187 and $265 in the upcoming years. So these are the levels that we are looking at for this stock chart, and I want to say this thing again, that this stock chart is actually very good, and over a period of time, just in case, this is for the sake of information, if you have invested in 1980 or 81, so since then the stock has already given you a return of 4949%, but that is after the correction. And if you the last high that the stock has made in the year 2015, and that time the stock has given 7241%. So this is only about price rise, but there are other benefits like dividend, and you have splits or something else that you will get. So over a period of time, this is not 7,000 or 4,000%. This is much more or much beyond than these numbers. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.